Dory, Pepper. Hi. What have you guys been up to? What have you guys been doing? Dory, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, hi. Hi, Pepper. Pepper, did you get fatter? Did you get fatter? Hi, Dory. Oh, hi. Hi, guys. You guys want to go out for a walk? You guys want to go out for a walk? Dory, you're a fur ball. Pepper, say hi to Honey Buns. Look up. Look up. There you go. Look at you, Dory. Dory, what's with the hair? What'd you do? What'd you do with your head? Dory! Hi, doggy. Pepper, stop. Pepper, you need a haircut. Dory, what's on your head? What's that? What's that? Okay, your turn, your turn. Okay, your turn, your turn. Oh, Pepper's coming in for the petting. Okay, your turn. He's licking my toes. Dory, what's on your mouth now? What's that? What's that? Dory, you're so silly. You guys miss this room? Miss Honey Buns? This is you too. Okay. Oh. Honey Buns, help. Help. I'm getting attacked. Pepper, are you heavier? Let's see. Oh, not too bad. Dory, sticking her tongue out. Look at the right paw. Oh, you waited very patiently. Good girl, Pepper. Oh gosh, Dory. Okay. Good girl, Pepper. No fighting. Pepper, what are you doing? that? Dory. Dory, come here. Okay, let's get ready. You guys gonna go out for a walk. And then we have the Skype honey buns. Dory going under your bed now. And then I have to go home for dinner. Okay, say bye.